The New York wake for Philip Seymour Hoffman today as his close friend files a $50 million lawsuit. I'm Nancy O'Dell.
This is when the wounds are fresh, before he was even laid to rest.
Inside the bitter legal fight over this tabloid headline on a day when loved ones are gathering to say goodbye.
Here is where friends and family will be sharing stories, paying respect. It's a chapel with a long history of hailing the funerals of New York's rich and famous.
Plus, what will become of Hoffman's reported $35 million fortune. E.T. with Woody Allen's ex-girlfriend.
Did you have sex with him when you were 17?
Doesn't matter. We had a romantic relationship.
So that's a yes.
Their 24-year age difference and what she knows about his daughter Dylan's sex abuse claims.
Is he a child molester?
Death by plastic surgery?
We've never seen that in 16 years of practice.
Such a sad story. A woman commits suicide after a facelift. Her Beverly Hills surgeon is well known with many rumored star clients. So why did she jump? Oprah honored. And why Gail is not impressed?
She didn't LOL. She started howling.
Plus, new Brad, Angie, and the kids. Haven't seen them in a while. And
I've posted way too many selfies in my day.
is Ireland Baldwin an Instagram addict?
People are like, oh no, like this is just a gateway to a sex tape.
Now, Entertainment Tonight, the worldwide leader in entertainment news.
Who will get Philip Seymour Hoffman's multi-million-dollar Hollywood fortune? Hi, everybody, and welcome to Entertainment Tonight. Well, before we get to the money, we have to begin with the emotion of today. That's because the Oscar winner's friends and family gathered to pay their respects at his wake. And our Rob Marciano was at the chapel.
Preparations here at the funeral home are underway. Flowers being delivered, media starting to gather. Stanchions will be set out to protect the family and some of the stars we expect to attend, notably Cate Blanchett, Justin Theroux, Joaquin Phoenix, and Michelle Williams, who just last night we saw visiting Hoffman's longtime partner, Mimi O'Donnell. The sad connection they share? Michelle also lost her love, Heath Ledger, to an overdose. There is no word on whether today's wake will be open casket or not. The actor's body will reportedly be cremated. That, of course, could happen before or after today's viewing. This funeral chapel has a long history of protecting the privacy of the rich and famous who've had services here. John Lennon, Jackie O, and Heath all were taken here before their final goodbyes.
The wake today, obviously emotional. But the grieving has been compounded by the bitter taste of a $50 million lawsuit Hoffman's friend, David Katz, filed late yesterday against the National Enquirer, and their story claiming he and the actor were lovers.
E.T. had it dead on yesterday. David Katz has a very strong case when he is being quoted as saying something he never said, that he and Philip Seymour Hoffman had a gay love affair, that he saw him doing cocaine. Those kinds of blatantly false, untrue statements make it a very difficult case for the National Enquirer to defend.
Well, helping us move this story forward is legal analyst Robin Sachs. So can Katz win and protect Hoffman's family and legacy?
One of the things that's going to help David Katz's case is how disgusting the timing was of this article. This was being printed before he was even laid to rest. I would imagine if you're the National Enquirer, you've had a legal team in a conference room strategizing, preparing to write a check.
The Oscar winner was worth a reported $35 million. Our number cruncher, Sandra Smith of Fox Business Network, explains where the fortune will go.
One could assume at this point that it will go to his longtime girlfriend, his 3 children, and possibly even 2 charities that he's been involved with for some time.
Hoffman's worth will continue to grow. He still has several movies yet to be released, including the next Hunger Games movie. Now let's talk about another star who actually lives just a few blocks from here, Woody Allen. I just sat down